What's up, y'all? We getting on a train today. Shuttle train for Rockaway. Me and Smooch. Come on. Yeah. Leave that shit alone. Leave it alone. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. Let's go, bro. Let's go. I mean, girl. Boy, my bad. I mean, girl, let's go, bitch. Let's go, Smooch. Leave that shit. Come on, go. Go up the stairs. Let's go. Come on, stop. We're gonna wait for the train, too. Like 12, 13 minutes. What's up, girl? Come here, girl. What's up? Let me rub your face. What's going on? God, what's going on? Come on, Smooth. Let's go. Wait for this train. We ride to another state. We're gonna go to New Jersey. Come on. Come on, Smooch. Nobody around. Get in the seat. You sniffing it. Alright, she wanna sniff it. What you sniffing? Ain't nobody up here with us. It was raining.